The reason most people have such a hard time making money online isn't because they're not trying, it's because they're trying too hard. See, these days consumers want things right now. When you exploit this, you can make much more money in much less time. Hi, my name's Glynn Kosky, and nothing is better for marketers than today's I want it now consumer. Because even though I'm a ClickBank Platinum rated product vendor and a 6-figure per year affiliate marketer, it took me over 4 years to reach those levels. Today, people can enjoy those kind of results in a fraction of the time, simply because now it takes fewer steps to turn prospects into customers. Look at list building and affiliate marketing. For years, the most powerful money-making combo online. Sure, it means expensive tools, creating landing pages, figuring out traffic, learning email marketing, and often waiting months for results. But it was worth the wait and the cost until recently. Today, consumer attention spans are so short that most subscribers grab your freebie, then forget who you are before you send out your first promo. All that hard work and expense wasted. After seeing the results of this slash my own profits, I decided to reinvent the wheel. I generate leads and commissions. So my team and I developed a software that combines list building and monetization into one step. Since using this software, my commissions have tripled and my campaigns run on autopilot, saving me hours of work each day. Marketers of all backgrounds have been testing this out in a wide range of niches, and the results are consistent across the board. 2 to 3 times higher commissions in less time and practically zero effort. Introducing Magick Funnels. The beauty of this system is that it eliminates practically all moving parts. Instead, it delivers a one-step solution for both list building and making commissions. Straight off, you get 14 completely done for you mini funnels. Each funnel includes a premium lead magnet, slick opt-in page, professional thank you page that delivers your giveaway, and instant monetization with a highly targeted upgrade offer. Launching your Magick Funnels takes minutes. Add your autoresponder and affiliate ID and you're all set. Hosting is included, no messing around with domains, name servers or tech stuff. The done for you funnels cover a wide range of in-demand recession-proof niches where people spend a lot of money and spend it often. These products are all top converting and handpicked for the highest possible commissions, many of them including monthly recurring, so you can make passive monthly income. When you want to scale up even beyond all the 14 funnels included, you're covered. You get our standalone app to create custom funnels from scratch and promote any products you like. Plus, with access to our full library of premium lead magnets and stunning landing pages. You can cancel those expensive page builder and PLR subscriptions and save thousands of dollars per year, because Magick Funnels is 99% done for you. It's incredibly beginner friendly. Absolutely zero experience needed, and step-by-step training is included to get you the best possible results. On top of the included hosting, free traffic methods are also covered, making this an all-inclusive income solution straight out of the box. It's really cool to see these instantly monetized funnels in action, so check out the quick demo further down this page and see the results from beta testers. Many people are telling us this software is reinventing list building for profit. Don't grab your access now, because during this launch you get everything for a steeply discounted one-time cost. The software, all 14 done for you funnels, 14 top converting higher paying products that you're automatically approved for, full library of lead magnets and landing pages, step-by-step video training, free traffic playbook, included hosting for every one of your pages, and remember, you get our standalone app to create custom funnels from scratch, which enables you to promote any products you like. As always, we fully stand behind our products, and you're covered with a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. There's absolutely no risk to try this out for yourself. Affiliate marketing and list building just got much easier and way more profitable thanks to Magick Funnels. Use it to maximize your commissions, explode your list, and to save thousands of dollars per year on hosting and expensive monthly tools. Take action now, secure your access, and we'll see you on the inside.